Hindi naman, my dad didn't die suddenly eh. May, kumbaga parang nung sinabihan siya, nung meron siyang COPD, he was 79. And he died when he was turning 84. So, it was 5 years of preparation na na-prepare namin kung anong gagawin namin sa pamilya.
Paano mo nagawa yun, Eric? Ikaw nag-aasikaso ng mga properties and then may business pa. Tapos, nakikipag-usap ka pa dun sa mga kapatid mo na minsan may mga problema or something.
It's just a matter of managing the situation. I mean, it's an ordeal. I mean, talking to different people. At syempre, ilang kami, ang dami namin.
Nakastress.
Ilan na nga kayong buhay? Buhay sa magkakapatid?
Apat na yung namatay. So, meaning 14. 14 pa kami.
14.
However, yung mga anak nila, I'm dealing with the heirs of the deceased.
Nung mga namatay. Nagkaano?
Hindi ko na alam ngayon dahil mas lalo na ngayon, mas
malaki.
mataas pa siya.
Before magkano?
Basta malaki.
Eric, one question na
Kaya
lang.
hindi namin kaya.
One question na lang.
Kaya
Kasi
dapat talaga merong part.
pwedeng sumulpot ang tanong kapag ka nagka-problema. Yung banayad na whiskey ninyo, kaninong funding yun at kaninong project yun? Sa inyo bang magkakapatid or the whole Quezon?
It's approved by the estate. Approved din ng estate. Although there's a company and they have partners dealing with it. So it is a corporation.
Corporation.
It's a
Kinausap eh. Direk, kilala ba namin yung tinutukoy mo kanina na gustong magka-baby sa'yo?
Hindi. Actually, marami.
Parang may kilala kami.
Parang may kilala kami.
Parang kilala namin yung iba.
Hindi ako.
Parang kilala namin yung isa. Yung artista.
Hindi, wala.
Walang artista?
Walang artista.
Hindi si ano? Okay, mali ang hula
And,
namin.
sometimes it's ano pa nga. The way it's said, it's in jest. Parang,
Yan parang.
bigyan mo ko ng tasa. Sabi ko, bibigyan kita ng tasa. Para saan yung tasa?
Doon malagay yung ano.
So may mga ganyan. So nagiging parang nakakatawa siya. But yes, I have some friends who've said, Eric, if I don't have just can you donate your sperm
Bakit
or
kailangan
whatever?
i-donate in what way? Hindi pa rin.
Pwede namang
pwedeng gawin.
Nasa test tube.
The natural way, ayaw nila?
Hindi, kaibigan mo eh. Usually naman ang humihingi kaibigan mo.
So direct wala kang pinagbigyan.
Parang nagbiro sa'yo ng ganyan dati.
Hindi.
Sa movie yata yan.
Sorry but please don't mention his name. Hindi.
Parang sa movie yan na
Sa
ano.
movie yata yan, Happy Together.
Yes.
Pero I can doon.
Yeah. Pero sa totoo hindi, baka mamaya.
So wala kang pinagbigyan direct.
Bakit naisip niyo?
Sure ka na wala
Ayaw niyo magbigay talaga.
No, because remember I said it was in jest. Yung usapan lang yun ng mga bata kami. Okay, I'll give you one example. One, nung pinag-usapan namin talaga, seryoso kami. Pagdating ng age, you know what happened to her? She had a cancer of, they had to remove her hysterectomy. And she had a hysterectomy. They had to remove her, because she had ovarian cancer. So when we were talking about it nga, when I visited her in the hospital, napag-usapan namin, sabi niya, hindi na natin magagawa yung pinlano natin. Of course, ang treatment namin nun is it was jokingly, pero sometimes jokes are half meant. So.
Alex here na in front. Sue and Rico, in behalf of everybody, please invite and thank our friends of the press who are here. Go ahead.
Hello.
There
Ayan.
you go.
Good afternoon po ulit at maraming salamat. Thank you for being here today. May isa na naman tayong pelikula na gustong ipagkalat. Ang pinaka-importanting project ni Sue Ramirez ngayong taon na to, ang Project Baby. Sana po tulungan niyo kami to spread the word about our movie. Kakaiba po talaga to. Bukod sa si Rico Blanco, ang leading man dito, na I'm sure excited lahat to watch on the big screen. Sana po tulungan niyo nga kami na ipagkalat ang tungkol sa Project Baby. Of course, this is under Regal and directed by Eric Quezon, written by Jose Javier Reyes, the one and only, and of course starring me and Rico Blanco. So, thank you po again for being here today.
Rico, anything to add?
Salamat po ulit sa inyong lahat. At siguro i-address ko yung mga music fans na laging sumusuporta sa akin. Mabilis silang bumibili ng tickets sa mga concerts and sa kung ano mga festivals. Chance naman natin ma-experience yung community na yun na manood ng pelikula Pilipino. Kung hindi po kayo sanay, kayo ang kausap ko ngayon, kung hindi po kayo sanay tumangkilik sa pelikula Pilipino, explore din po natin na napakarami pong magagandang projects po sa pelikula Pilipino. Kung ito po yung magiging unang experience nyo, malaking bagay po sa akin. Salamat po in advance.
And you Rico, kumanta ka ba dito, Rico? Hindi. Hindi. Okay, let's have a photo. Let's have a group photo. We'll have different versions para maraming ma-post yung ating mga friends on the press. Let's begin with this group photo. Let's have a version of all girls. Let's have the all girls. Let's have the boys this time. Yasser, Alex. Sir Keith, please join. All right, let's have si Sue and Rico. Yeah, let's have this version first. Okay, let's have Sue and Rico.
Chemistry.
Then I have a challenge. Gayahin niyo yung poster niyo ngayon. Gayahin niyo. Gayahin niyo yan. Gayahin niyo yan.
Oh, sabay-sabay naman.
Gayahin niyo yan. Go, go, go. Thank you everybody! Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon.